So, kind of big news, milestone in my opinion, is as of late last night, I just passed the 500 subscriber mark on the channel. That's huge. That was a huge amount of growth just in this one build. So, I wanted to say thank you to everybody that is watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that stuff and whatnot. So I just appreciate it all. It's all helped the channel grow, and I do have some more content coming. I'm working on this one, and then I also have another event coming, not this weekend, but the following weekend. Hopefully, I can make it to that one. I also have a motorcycle event that I want to do, go climb Mount Washington again this year. That's on the same weekend as this other event, but one's a 2-day event, one's a 1-day kind of turnaround thing. So hopefully I can hustle and do both and get you guys some good content there. That's a dirt track racing, so that one should be really fun. So anyway, just wanted to say thank you to everybody. I did a little screen recording of all the subscribers and whatnot, all the public subscribers. There's a bunch that are private that ain't shown. So I just did a scroll through of the list just to kind of give a shout out, say thank you all very much. I appreciate it all. It would take incredibly long to go through, 500 subscribers and be like, thank you to so-and-so and so-and-so and so-and-so. I'm sure nobody wants to sit through that, and I will fumble and bumble the names brutally. I'm not good with it. So at the end, I'll do a little scroll through. Thank you for all that to get me past that point. The next milestone will be 1,000 subscribers. At that point, I think I can do like a merch store and possibly get monetized for some of the like commercial, like advertisement they stuff into the videos and stuff. Right now, like you used to be able to get monetized at 500, but now at 500, the only monetized is like if you offer special like programs where like you put up like a kind of a back room where you can put up early content and stuff like that. I think there's something like that. And then there's just other things where like people can send you, like I forget what it's all called, but just different things. Like they can basically send you tips, you know. But it'd be cool if I got to the point where like you got some sort of tiny little paycheck from all the advertisements they stuff into the videos, and maybe the thing will grow. Also, along with that, I've been working on more shirt designs. This is one that I did the other day, and the front side, it's just a PCC for Poor Charlie's Customs, but I got a small version of the logo that was on the back on the front, and that one worked out pretty well. This other one here I'm really excited about. I haven't like made this one onto a shirt yet, but this is the iron-on material with the Fleetline on it. The car's got a ton of detail and stuff, which this one I'm really excited about. One of the problems I'm having is I want to keep the logo on the front with the same image as the back, and this one has so much detail that like trying to weed it, you're losing some of the lines on it. Like see the lines around the window are just like coming apart and just falling off. And one of my old shirts that I did, I don't know, a couple of years ago, in the middle it has a outline of a '69 Dodge Charger, and that one has a lot of detail too. I don't have it right here with me to show you, but the front one with the small detail, I was able to weed it, but I want to say after about a year, it started peeling, like the fine lines started peeling on it. So hopefully I can tune this one up where get rid of some of the fine detail around the windows for the smaller print. We'll see. I had a guy do all that design work for me on that, so I may email him again and see if he can take out some of the detail around the windows and in some of the trim so I can use it on this one. So yeah, so this right here right now, this is basically me playing around with stuff for myself to wear, and hopefully make a handful to give to a couple of my good buddies. And I got some messages out to some friends that have had shirts made about finding local screen printers, see what that's going to cost and all that stuff, because eventually if the channel takes off, I'll definitely set up a merch store and just have stuff like this, shirts and hats and sweatshirts and stuff like that. But anyway, long ramble. But yeah, some of this stuff will hopefully become available eventually. Let me know what you think about them, and I'll see if I can tag in a picture of the Charger one. I think I can grab a picture of that. But anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks again for everything. Thanks for everybody that's, watching, subscribing, sharing, all that stuff. And let's see if we can make it to 1,000 subscribers. If I can make it to 1,000 subscribers, then at that point I think I can have a merch store and stuff like that. And let's see what happens. But thanks again for everything. And I'll keep pushing forward with this one and hopefully get you some more content here and there. And I look forward to the next build. Thanks again for everything. You guys are a big part of this, so thank you very much.